that Brother Bear? I've never seen Brother Bear before. We made it to Animal Kingdom. We're about to do Everest as our first ride, and I am sweating my face off already. Amanda, it's gonna be a great day, right?
It's gonna be amazing. I'm excited.
So excited. Miles, are you excited for Everest?
Yeah.
That's it? Just a thumbs up? Where do you want to eat today?
Either Flame Tree Barbecue or Satuli Canteen.
I want to eat at Satuli actually. Flame Tree is really good, but I think Satuli would be a lot cooler.
What's that?
The place with the cheeseburger pods?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
also the Flets are coming today, and they've never had cheeseburger pods.
Ooh, that's fun.
So I did say that we should get some together.
Perfect, we'll do that.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo baggage.
Was that amazing? Oh my gosh.
I think I like this ride better than Rock and Roll.
I feel like I forget how much I love that ride every time I go on it. It's just insane.
It
It's
is.
so fun.
That one actually always makes me feel a little sick. I always get a little woozy when you go backwards.
Oh,
Makes me, whew. Anyway, we're going on again because the line's only 20 minutes, which is really surprising because I thought it was going to be busy this week at the parks, but it's really not that bad this week, right?
No, not at all.
Okay, so what do you guys want to do?
You're an ice cream. Yeah.
Let's do one more ride, and then we'll go get ice cream and chill.
Do you guys want to go do dinosaurs?
45 for dinosaurs, 75 for flight of passage. The safaris are right there, and they're 55 minutes, but it's crazy because they're wrapped all the way back to where the Festival of the Lion King is. The line is right there, the people are moving. It's kind of wild. But it says it's less than an hour wait. It's up to you guys, what do you think? One ride and then we'll do ice cream.
Dinosaur.
You want dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
All right, I want dinosaur too, let's go.
Wait,
Oh no.
what?
I really thought the Lion King was open. I heard they were reopening it, but I guess it's not open right now. That
I'm
stinks.
happy.
Why are you happy? You don't want to go see it?
No, I don't know.
Oh man.
It's boring.
It's not boring, it's so
Come
fun.
near this.
Really? That's too bad. Check it out. Who's on there? It's a bear. Is that Brother Bear? I've never seen Brother Bear before.
Wonder Bear.
Really?
Was Disney's newest movie.
Newest movie is 20 years ago.
We haven't seen that one in a while.
Yeah, it's been. You used to like that movie though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should watch that one again.
Yeah. What is the end of this line up here coming up? Should we just get in this line? It's not going to go down today. The cast member back there just said that they had a regular come to Disney and hit the 300th ride on Flight of Passage. Shut up! Jesus!
Sir, we don't yell at the birds.
We don't yell at the birds. The cool thing here is that it's super shady all the way down, so I'm into it. We decided on Flight of Passage for 65 minutes, they said?
Yep.
I'm okay with that. And then we're gonna go get a drink and an ice cream because the kids I mean, we just got here and they're already begging for ice cream. So we're just gonna do it and get it over with, right?
We're so hot.
Oh my God. Would you rather go back to 40 degrees in Massachusetts or 75 here?
75 here.
Thought so.
No, I'm Massachusetts. And then come back here.
Oh my God. This place is so cool.
It really is. It's
I love it.
insane.
The theming here is unbelievable. Been in line for about 30 minutes and we're just about to hit the main standby entrance. So I guess it's kind of moving. They didn't measure you this time, Miles. They didn't measure you this time. You must look like an old man now. You've grown a lot. Oh, excuse me. You've grown a lot. Good job. I remember being here in August and we got over and over and over again on it, like 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 times. I don't know. All right, come on, we're moving. Miles, let's go. Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Stop.
Michelle's out of the family.
Michelle's out of the family.
Michelle wants carrots instead of ice cream today.
Michelle wants carrots instead of ice cream today.
Ah, you said it. Okay.
Ah, you said it. Okay.
I don't like this game.
I don't like this game.
Oh. Stop it.
Stop it.
Mom, she won't stop.
Mom, don't stop.
All right, both of you go to your room.
This could be my favorite part of the entire queue. It's this guy right here. It's amazing. Miles, how cool is this guy?
No.
How?
Whoa.
What? It's so neat.
Oh, and by the way, they captured Venom.
They captured Venom over there?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll have to go check it out. Alright, when we started the waits at 65 minutes, we're at 50 right now, I think.
Okay, so.
So we might make out a little bit ahead.
Yeah.
I think we'll be alright. I don't think the wait has actually been that bad.
No.
It was a little bit long though.
It was, but it moved quick and there was things to look at, so it didn't feel too bad.
I felt pretty bad in the sun.
And at the end of it, we get to ride Flight of Passage, which is amazing.
Rhinos, one in each yard. As you see the one here on the left that's kind of facing us right now. There's a second one a little bit closer to us in the second yard. The bongos are also nicknamed the ghosts of the forest. There's a few more than lining the perimeter up there. A group of hippos like this is also called a bloat, and they use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, one of them being a weesonk. The louder the weesonk of the hippo, the more dominant they're going to be in the room. This is one of those areas where a lot of people like to stand up, so please make sure your remain seated before you get there. The male. It's really easy to tell the difference between males and females, just because males are the only ones that have that really big mane around their necks. Something really impressive about his mane is when fully grown, it can weigh up to about 40 pounds. Yeah, there's a girl right there. She's a little bit harder to see. She's a little bit lower at the corner back there in the shade.
She's tucked under the rock.
Yeah, she's been there all day. All clear to our back. Short Time Together is coming to an end, but here in Harambe, we don't like to say goodbye. It's far too sad and way too short and final. So instead, we say Kwaherini, which means to go well. So Kwaherini, guys, go well, go wild, and go make a big difference out there. Love your adventures. They take you today. Here, Disney is here. Watch your hands up like the red. First, going to be signing open. Once again, guys, my name is Christian.